Hello everyone. Guess I had to re-record the last portion after I realized that the, the page that I didn't share out the page when I was explaining to the one page website that I built with Builderall. So I have to re-record this portion again. So okay, let me share my screen again. Lesson learned. So I need to always share the correct screen. Guess I finished up the PowerPoint, but I forgot to share this page, which is actually the website that I'm talking about. So it's okay. I'll repeat what I was previously spoken and talk about. So okay. So basically, I think after sharing with you guys on the uh, mindset portion, the procrastination portion. Here's a very simple website which I will be sharing on how to build this simple one page. Very simple, yes, very simple. It's one page setup, which I will go through step by step with you with the build out from scratch. Yes, you hear it from scratch, and it's really from a blank sheet of a blank page, basically. So just a quick go through. So this one page is actually to, I mean, there's two purposes to it. My intention, there's two purposes. One is to really giving yourself a mission statement, a goal statement, or a target that you set for yourself, or a message for yourself that. So in this case, my message is getting out of my comfort zone. Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell myself is that I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, and from IT professional to in this case a website builder agency founder. Yes, I'm trying to build my own agency to help people to with their website building and online presence. So what you see here, there's different colors or different types of fonts that is in use. So get out of your comfort zone. Get out of your is actually in black, and then comfort zone is actually in another font and in blue. And there's a message tag or box, whatever you call it. Yeah. So where I actually put my name inside this tag, pointing to my image below. So as you see here, the moment I move my mouse cursor on top of it, it actually starts to wobble. So this is what actually one of the features or functions that Builderall has to make your your website looks fanciful or looks professional, or whichever way you look at it. So to make it more attractive. Uh, so once you get used to the different function and features of Builderall, you actually realize you can build anything, any kind of a website that you see on the marketplace, any kind of website that you wants to build and desire to build, you can actually build it with Builderall. So, and you see below, I actually have another blue banner as the background and a very simple message. It wasn't like website building was something that I always wanted to do. Yes, it's not that I was wanting to do for the longest time, but the thing is, it just happened. So I mean, those of you who have know my story, I think I've been on online marketing for quite a long way, but I'm picking up skills along the way and trying to put the many pieces of the jigsaw puzzle and so that I have a complete picture or blueprint of the what exactly online marketing or internet marketing is all about. So for your little exercise or homework before we do the next video, which is to build this website, think about your message, right? Think about your message, whether it's you can, if you want to follow like what my message is, getting out of my comfort zone, or it could be launch a startup, okay, or become a social media guru, right? Or become a or find a work, find work that makes you happy. So writing comics, for example, right? So I think just to repeat the inspiration that I got from, I think, one of my online friends, and online and both online and offline friend, is a granny. Yeah, she's actually retired. So yeah, probably tomorrow the this branding website I can build around her as the main character of it. Yeah. For example, I think the message could be like, start a brand where everyone else is retiring, from a retiree to a jewelry maker, right? Sounds cool, right? Yeah. So and probably just have a very nice message here. And in fact, with this page, you can actually also include blogs or more copywriting and content below. So this, I think I'll show you exactly how to do that. Yeah. So you can actually do all this with Builderall, right? That's all for today, and I will see you again in my next video. Right. Thank you.